like gangsters that want to rob you. And
yeah, there are a lot of gangsters here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just used to see Kenyan woman on television, but now I see that the beauty really stay in Kenya.
Wow, thank you. Good afternoon, guys. How are you doing? I hope you're doing good. Let me tell you, Cape Town is too hot. Too hot. Sijui kani waonyesha vile nje kuna kaa muone. Jua inakuanga imewaka, so you have to use your sunglasses, by the way. I think mostly this month it's on March. And that's the reason as to why I met with a lot of tourists who are coming to Cape Town. Like a lot. Ilibidi by the kwa airport, wacha niwape for one. Ilibidi kwa airport tuulizwe, anyone is traveling alone? I think we were like 5 people. All the other people walikuwa kwa group. Walikuwa wanakuja Cape Town for their vacation. Aish! That was so good. And there were many. Like by the kwa plane. Tulikuwa watu wale sana. Mostly white. We are white. Mostly black people. All the other people, they were white. Asians, wazungu, you know, all those people. But it was a good flight, by the way. It was nice. It was amazing. Ebu naonesha niache story mingi. So, cheki. Huko jua inawaka kaa kitu ingine. You see, that is there. Huko chini pale hivyo. Sijui kama unaona places kwenye kuna bridge. That is a rail station. That is a rail station right there. So niliona train. By this kwa najua mimi niliona tu train ikipita. So maybe with time ikipita tena nitawaonyesha. So now guys, hey, huyo ndio anaenda kunichoma huko nje. Oops. I have 2 things to do because time imeenda sana. I was so tired, so I needed to take a rest because unajua if you don't take a rest you can't be creative. So you need to take a rest. It's important. So I slept for quite some time. Now it's time. It's around 2:45. I want to go to a Catholic church. Man, yes, please. I want to go and Google which Catholic church is near me. I have seen there is St. Agnes. The other one's Kumbuki, but St. Agnes is the one that is nearer to me. It's saying that it's 3 minutes with a motorbike, and I guess 4 minutes with a car. So that's why I want to go. And also the first thing I want to do, do your train or say. There you go. Do your train. Hi. Do you? It's huge, by the way. Hakuna katoi kanatoka shule hapa. Ndio yako kanakimbia. I don't know where she's going. Maybe she's going to pick up the train. Oh, by the way, yeah. Oh my God. Ile mbio huo mtoi ameenda. Okay, helps you arrive there on time. And then there is unawezaona watu wakiingia. And so there's another one. Ndio hiyo inaenda. Oh my God, I hope that girls get help. Oh, okay. Ndio hiyo ingine inaenda. Sijui kama itasimama. Let's see. Okay. But anyway, ingine imesimama ndio ile pale. And it's actually so huge. Ndio hiyo huko. Yeah, it's closing. There. Oh, yako kadem kamesaidika ama maybe she'll use the other one. Wow. Okay, so that's our train station. But they should plan. I use because I have a lot of days here. I should plan and use a train. Maybe I'll get someone who can take me around. It's Joey, but maybe God knows. So I want to go and get a SIM card, then go to the church, show you around the church. This being the second day here. Second actually full day. Ile ingine ilikuwa tu ya jana ya kufika. As we do this, if you are in Cape Town, South Africa, drop a comment hapo, tunaweza patana, we can hang out and have a conversation. We can have lunch, have dinner. You can take me around, by the way. Who knows? Anyway, let's do this. Let's go and get a SIM card and go to church. Subscribe. Guys, I have gotten some assistance from, what's your name? Arthur.
Yeah, Arthur.
From Arthur. He will be taking me to St. Agnes Catholic Church and also to the market, And also to the market. Which church is this one?
That's
This one, yeah. Which one is this one?
Mary.
St. Mary's what?
St. Mary.
Catholic.
No, I think it's Methodist.
Oh, Methodist.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like a Catholic church. It's very windy here, by the way. Me, I'm from Kenya. You know Kenya?
Nice place.
You know Kenya?
No, I don't know.
You don't know
I
Kenya?
didn't travel there.
You didn't do what?
I didn't travel.
Oh, you haven't traveled.
Yeah.
Oh my God. This place is so windy. Oh my God, my clothes. Ooh.
Yeah, I met a few people there by way. Also from Kenya.
Where? Where are they?
They in the hotel. They
You'll
stay
take me there. Maybe we'll find them.
If maybe they come later and I take them up to the main road,
Hey.
wherever they want to go. And they safe passage actually.
Okay.
See me, I was born here.
Sorry?
I say I was born here
Uh-huh.
in Woodstock.
Oh.
You know what was the name before it was Woodstock?
No, what was the name? Tell us.
Papensdorp.
Pappenstall.
Dorp, yeah. That
Oh.
was the name. Not most people know that.
Okay.
So that is the question you catch them with.
Once people count.
I say that is the question you catch them with. If you ask them what was the name of the place Woodstock before it was named Woodstock,
Okay.
and then they wouldn't be
changed.
able to tell you.
Okay.
You see? And that is how you catch them out. You see?
Yeah.
That's why I say I was born here.
Uh-huh.
You see this Davidson's Road just at the back of
Where?
just at the back court of Wick.
Okay.
That road there.
That's where you are born.
Yeah, in that road there's two houses.
Oh.
I'm living in the one with my brother.
Oh, with your brother?
Yeah,
He's still there?
he's still there.
You are the oldest or the
The
youngest?
youngest.
Oh, good. I mean it. What about these ones?
Behind that white one we can go.
Okay. Hold my hand. And the place is very windy.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
See,
Woo!
the sea, it's still here.
There is an ocean here?
Yeah, in the foresight.
Oh.
So what they did years back,
Uh-huh.
they pushed the sea backwards.
Okay. Use this one?
Yeah. See
Oh, the church is right there. Oh man. Wow.
it's like a little tour I'm taking you on.
Yeah, it's a tour. So guys, finally we are at St. Agnes Catholic Church. It's so near, by the way. It's 14 minutes from where
We
the
were-
hotel is, yeah. No.
You want to be by the
That's
other
a
one?
Baptist church, guys. So for me, I'm looking for the Catholic church.
Okay.
I guess
We're going to go to that.
he didn't get it right.
No.
But
we're going-
we are all
I'm
Christians.
just taking a shortcut.
Oh yeah.
Walk late.
They walk.
Yeah, walk. Don't,
Okay.
you mustn't walk late here.
Oh.
Because you do get like gangsters that want to rob you. And
Oh yeah. There are a lot of gangsters here.
yeah,
Wow.
but don't
But-
fear, I'm here.
Oh yeah. I have security.
I know most of them.
Oh, you know most of the gangsters?
Yeah. I was Muslim. What do you think my age is?
Your age?
Hmm.
65.
65.
Yes.
Never. Wow. You're making me old, eh?
What's your age?
No, I'm only 56.
You are
56.
56.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I added you more.
I think it's this one, eh?
Yes, this one looks like what I was seeing on Google. Finally, we are here. Wakristo wenzangu, tumsifu Yesu Kristo. Milele na milele, amina. Pilgrims of Hope, together in prayers. I'm actually now at Catholic Church. This is St. Agnes, right?
Yeah.
This is St. Agnes, eh?
Yeah.
Because I don't want to say.
St. Agnes.
Yeah. So there you go. So this is St. Agnes, who died in Great Wars in 1914 to 1939. Yeah. This is a nice one. We have the cross of Jesus right there. And then this is the church, looking all beautiful. Entry, the church is closed. I've talked with the priest. Yeah, he told me on Monday the church is always closed at this hour. They do masses at 8 a.m. I wish I knew ningekuja mass your time, but anyway, haina shida. So let's see if I can try to Google and find another church where we can go. The other church I'm seeing is quite far, so we cannot manage at this moment. But once you visit, make sure that you visit Capetown. Make sure that you come to this church, you make your prayers. Yeah, it's such a good place. They open at 8 a.m. Okay? Yeah, for the mass. Hiya. Let's go to the market now and see what we can find. You love money. You love money like Kukuyu. Can I?
When it comes to money, yes.
When it comes to money?
Yes, I can.
You are a Kikuyu in South Africa. Okay.
German manifestation.
Tell them what you have said again. Tell them.
Tell them. Yesterday I just used to see Kenyan woman on television, but now I see that the beauty really stay in Kenya.
Wow, thank you. Thank you. So guys, you feel like you're in Kenya already. Look at that market. So I need to buy this. Yeah, because man, I don't want to buy food anymore. Nataka kujipikia sasa. So I need this. Now the only issue is you have to cut by yourself. That one and spinach, eh? One, eh? How many are those? Oh, one.
25.
Okay, 25. This is 25.
15 plus 10.
Oh, plus 10. And this one, how much?
25.
Okay, and tomatoes, the best ones, yeah? How much is tomatoes?
10 rand.
10 rands. Okay.
45.
40? 45. How much is this one? Avocado. We call it avocado back there.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
How much?
10 rand.
10. Oh, I need the one that I can eat today. This one I can't.
Peel a soft one.
Yeah. This is too small. Even this one is 10.
Yes.
Oh, it's too small now.
Now you can ask it there because me I'm working.
Oh.
That is basically the only one.
This one. How much?
10 rand.
It's too small.
Which is the big one? The big one.
Do 5.
There's a big one. They are only the price.
They are,
Which is the big one?
but they are not ripe for today.
You can put it in the microwave.
Ah! You! Ah! Guys, this guy is such a joker. Okay, I'll just pick it because now we can't find any. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay.
I'm going to take some ugali. I'll share with you online.
Oh, we don't want the puff for the road.
That one, I don't use that. Guys, this guy,
What's your name? What can we check you out?
Katrina the Traveler.
Katrina.
Katrina, K.
Okay.
Yeah.
Katrina. the
Yeah,
traveler. I will
yeah.
check it out.
Yeah.
Okay. Large respect.
All right. Thank you so much. Huh? Okay, bye. Okay. From Kenya. Hi.
How are you?
Good, good. Say hi. When in Kenya?
Yeah.
Eh,
Channel name aje?
Katrina.
Sorry?
Katrina the Traveler.
Katrina the traveler.
Yeah. Sawa. Hi.
Want to ask?
Thank you. So guys, I'm in a butchery. You want to buy some meat? This is steak, yeah?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. How do you measure in kilos or in what?
120 a kilo.
120 a kilo. How much is it?
That's a lot. You maybe
But I don't need a kilo.
Yeah.
I need half. Half a
maybe
kilo.
500 grams.
Yeah, 500 grams, yeah? Yeah, that's what I need. Yeah. It's a good name. For Kenya, you can't use newspapers. They're banned.
Oh.
Yeah.
What else?
Nothing. I think we are good. Oh, I needed some. Do you have the flour that is not in packet?
Done?
The maize flour that is not in packet.
What is it?
Maize flour.
This.
Yeah, maize flour.
Flour.
Oh.
Is it
Flour. Yeah.
flour.
Yeah. Oh, you don't have.
Soya, like soya.
So okay, no problem. Let me have this. How much is this?
We go there.
There's a
How much is it? What is that?
$70.
Yeah.
70 there.
Yeah.
So much for the good service. I'm from Kenya.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know Kenya?
Yeah, we all fine.
Oh yeah, you have visited Kenya?
I was in Nairobi once.
Once. Which part?
Oh, no, just on Nairobi.
Oh, okay.
Jomo Kenyatta Airport.
At the airport.
Jomo Kenyatta.
Oh, Jomo Kenyatta.
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
nice. Yes. Oh, you're doing a transit.
Yeah, we were just on our way to Bombay that time.
Ah, okay. Nice one. Thank you so much for the good
You're
service.
welcome. You're welcome.
Yeah, we are Africa.
How do you like Cape Town?
I came here yesterday.
Oh, you came yesterday? Are
Yeah.
you leaving already?
No. I'm
Oh.
just going back to the hotel.
Okay.
Yeah. Cape Town is good, though life seems to be so expensive.
Expensive all over the world.
No, yeah, it's so expensive. But we are trying.
We have to try.
Yeah, I'll be coming over here. The days I'll be around.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. Yeah, okay. Wow, such nice people. Bye.
Okie
Yeah, it has been a good time.
Yeah.
I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Tell them bye.
Bye.